Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be starting another project pan on my channel, but this one's going to be a little bit unique. So up until now I've been doing a sample pan roulette series on my channel, but I'm growing a little bit bored of that series, and at the same time I'm also feeling just overwhelmed by all of my makeup samples, and I really want to work through as many of them as I possibly can this year, just so I feel like that part of my makeup or beauty collection isn't as overwhelming. So what I decided to do was select, and I'm probably overexerting myself as I always do, I selected 25 different mini samples. And what I like about being able to actually select them myself versus the sample pan roulette where I was randomly selecting is I can choose, okay, I'm only going to work on 2 primers right now, or 2 cleansers, or whatever it may be. So I can do it so it makes more sense to use up in a more timely fashion, or just makes more sense. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. If you are interested in seeing the 25 samples I'm going to be working on, I'm going to just do this rolling style until I work my way through all of my beauty samples. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. But first, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so before you go. I post videos every single Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I adjusted my camera ever so slightly. We're going to be going in no particular order because I just have everything right here, but like I said, I tried to do it in a way that made it sense, so it wasn't like I was working on 20 different cleansers at a time. But starting off, I think I have maybe 3 hair care products. I believe I have 3. So for hair care, I have the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray, and pretty much everything in here is brand new. There's one item that I've been working on already, and I'll talk to you guys about that when I get to that. So this is full. As you can tell, it's just a deluxe size sample, and I'm always down for a good texture spray. This one says volume, refresh, and hold dry shampoo meets hairspray. I'm not a huge dry shampoo sort of gal, but the way that I've been doing on my beachy waves lately, I feel like this could really help with that. So I'm excited to try that out. And then I wanted to test out include a shampoo and conditioner sample pack. So this is the Redken Protein Complex All Soft Shampoo and Conditioner. And then also from Living Proof, I have their Nourishing Styling Cream to try and get through. I'm including 1 tanning product. I have this dual pack of the organic tan infused cloths for face and body from Vita Liberata. I will likely just use these on my legs. Usually when I'm testing tanning products, I use them on my legs. So 2 cloths to try and work through. For makeup, I think I only have 3 makeup items. This is super skincare heavy because that is the largest area of my sample collection. I still need to test out the Huda Faux Filter Foundation, so I included that. And then I have this little mini hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. So I'm gonna try and get through this. I really like that primer, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then I have this little mini Kat Von D Lock It Concealer, which hasn't even been opened, so it's clearly brand new. I feel like this is gonna take me a little bit to get through because I feel like a little concealer typically goes a long way. This is in the shade L11 Neutral, so I'm hoping that this will work for me in the summertime as I'm tan. Hoping that I can get through that. If anything, I can always just use it as like an eye primer. I never mind using concealer as an eye primer. Okay, so everything else is going to be skincare, and I have, let's see, I have 4 moisturizing products. One is from Drunk Elephant. It's their Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. This looks like a single use or maybe a 2-time use, but I've tried this before, so I figured that would be an easy one to get through. From Fresh, I have their Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream. Again, this is just a little sample card, so that should be easy to get through. From IT Cosmetics, I have this little jar of the Confidence in a Cream, which I feel like I can go through these fairly quickly. And then this is the one sample that I have already started to use, and this is also from Drunk Elephant. It's their Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I am probably about halfway through this. So this is really nice, but it doesn't provide me personally enough moisture. I just use this right now. I just use this in the morning time because it sinks into my skin super quickly, and I can go in with makeup right after, so it works It works, but it's just not hydrating enough of a product for me to actually want to purchase a full size. I have this sleeping night oil from Sunday Riley. This is the size. This I haven't used at all. I've been wanting to test this out for a while, but I hadn't selected it in my sample pan roulette, and I figured that was another reason I wanted to do like a bigger project pan, so I could actually sample the things that were in my sample collection that I wanted to sample rather than like holding off until I randomly selected them. So I have the night oil. From Good Molecules, I have the Instant Cleansing Balm, and I haven't tried this at all. I have a feeling this one might take me a little bit of time to get through. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm going to do monthly updates, and it's just going to be rolling style. I have 2 eye balms that I am including. One is from Elgenis. It is their Complete Eye Renewal Balm, and it literally feels like there's like no product in here, so I feel like this is going to be a single use. And then from Philosophy, I have their Purity Made Simple Eye Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. This is the size. Eye creams a little bit does go a long way, so I could see this taking a little bit of time to get through. I figured summer was the perfect time to include a little SPF sample pack. So this is from La Roche-Posay. This is their, I probably mispronounced that, this is their SPF 60 Sport Activewear Lotion Sunscreen. From Dr. Dennis Gross, I have this little 2-pack of his Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peels. Oh wait, this is just like a step 1 and step 2. So the first one is to exfoliate and smooth, and the second one is an anti-aging neutralizer. So I'm really excited to try these. I've heard good things about those. From Tata Harper, I just have a little resurfacing mask sample. I am including 2 cleansers. One is from Peter Thomas Roth. It's the Irish Moor Mud Purifying Cleansing Gel. I feel like this will be like a 2-time use. And then from Indie Lee, I have the Brightening Cleanser. Again, I bet this will be like a 1 or 2-time use. I have this little Strivectin. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is a tightening neck cream. So I'm excited to give this a try. I figured that would be pretty easy for me to go through because I don't have any other like neck cream products other than just using my moisturizer on my neck. So I figured that would be a good one to go through. From Mad Hippie, I have the Vitamin A Serum. Again, I have a feeling this will just be a couple of uses. From Bare Minerals, I have their Skin Longevity Eye Gel Cream. Sorry, I have 3 eye creams, but again, this one I think will just be a 1 or 2-time use. And then finally, from Laneige, I have a little sample pack of the Water Sleeping Mask. So those are the 25 samples that I'm going to be trying to get through. Again, we will be doing this rolling style. Let me know if you're doing a similar project down below. Let me know if you feel overwhelmed by your beauty sample collection like I do. But other than that, thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!